The Olympic Games are universal.
In October, there was an elaborate ceremony near Mount Olympus in Greece, where the Olympic flame was handed over to Chinese officials to begin the long voyage to Beijing. The ceremony was disrupted by Tibetan Canadian Chemi Lamo.
How can Beijing be allowed to host the Olympics, given that they are committing genocide against the Uyghurs, the East Turkey?
We got stormed by, of course, the security officials. About 8 or 12 just tackled us to the ground and made sure that we didn't get into the way of any cameras.
Chemi Lamo and her friends were arrested and spent 2 days in jail, charged with destruction of an archaeological site. Arriving back home, she received a hero's welcome from Toronto Tibetans. She says that her activism against the Chinese Communist government really took off 2 years ago when she was elected president of the University of Toronto Scarborough Campus Student Council. She received more than congratulatory messages.
Along with that came thousands and thousands of threats, death threats, rape threats against me, my family members, simply because of my Tibetan identity. One guy actually wrote a rap about how he was going to rape me in Chinese or Mandarin and then said, oh wait, you wouldn't understand that, so let me send it to you in English, and then translated it and sent it to me in English. One thing that gets me choked up, reading the message that said, your mom's dead. So I'd have to check in with my mom to make sure that she was safe. Once I said on my Instagram story, oh, is this hate from China, as a joke when it first started? And someone messaged me and said, no, bitch, I'm here.
Chemi Lamo identified the Chinese Students and Scholars Association at the University of Toronto as a source for her on-campus harassment. The organization is mainly composed of international students from mainland China under the leadership of the Chinese embassy.
And so it was pretty obvious that I was being followed and watched and surveilled on campus, whether it was students or other people.
Where do you think these messages were coming from?
I think these messages were coming definitely from the Chinese embassy.